Downloading and installing MaX UC Desktop for Windows. To download MaX UC Desktop for Windows, you will need to visit the UserCom portal. You can do this by either going to the Phoneware website and choosing the login option there, or going directly to the UserCom portal address. We're going to go to the Phoneware website. So when you go to the Phoneware website, hover over Login, choose UserCom portal, put in your direct phone number and your password, and click Login. Once you've logged into the UserCom portal, click on the Downloads option, then click View Apps, and then choose the version of the Windows MaX UC program that you wish to install. The program will start downloading, and this file is over 200 megabytes, so it'll take a couple minutes to download depending upon your bandwidth. So please wait for it to complete downloading before you proceed. Once the file has downloaded, we are going to launch the resulting downloaded file and complete or continue with the installation process. Okay, our download has completed, so we're going to click on the resulting downloaded file, and that will launch the MaX UC installation utility. We can actually go ahead and close the COM portal now. We're finished here, and we will just wait for the MaX UC installation utility to launch. It takes just a moment to load because, again, it is quite a big file. There it goes. All right. So we're just going to step through and choose our options here. So we will keep the default location there. And we are going to choose both to create a desktop shortcut and to launch MaX UC on startup. And now we're going to click the install button to begin the installation process. You will get a pop-up asking you for permission. I just said yes. And now it's copying files and installing MaX UC. Now the installation has completed. We're going to click Finish here, and this will launch MaX UC so we can do further setup within the MaX UC app. Okay, the MaX UC app is launching now. We'll wait for this to load. And once it does, we will continue. Okay. So first you'll be asked how you want to log in. You should choose the Login Manually option. So click that button. And next you'll be asked to choose your service provider. You must choose Phoneware. So click on the drop-down, scroll down alphabetically to Phoneware, and like so. Click OK. And now we're going to be prompted to log into MaX UC. We're going to use the same credentials that we used to log into the UserCom portal. So that is our direct phone number and our password. And click Login. Now, the first time you log in to MaX UC, you're going to have to accept the license agreement and answer a couple of questions. So I'm going to go ahead and accept the license agreement here. And once I have accepted that, let's minimize these other screens, shall we? Okay, there is MaX UC. It's now running. So that completes the installation of the MaX UC app, and we will now continue with setup and other steps here in just a moment.